Hi, my name is Betha, and this is FitGraph. We all know the pain of online shopping, where you buy a certain size, let's say medium size at Zara, and it fits perfectly well, and you buy the same size in a different shop, let's say H&M, and you can't even zip it up, you know, or you can buy the medium at Zara and then size medium at H&M, but at any other shop online, it's just doesn't fit. So um, this is inconsistency is actually called vanity sizing, okay? And this is the reason why 40% of all clothing bought online is returned. And I mean, we do have size charts, and these size charts are broken. They rely on labels like, small, medium, large. That means nothing. And let's be honest, I mean, both you and I do not have to time to, using all these measuring tapes lying around to measure ourselves every time we buy something online. So I decided to build something that will actually solve this. So I decided to build FitGraph, and which is an AI agent that ignores the side label entirely, and instead it acts as a silent tailor that lends your actual body, geometry from your behavior. And here is how it works. So I'm going to use the example of Zara and H&M. So the implicit learning with this machine or with this system is, let's say last month I bought a Zara size M jacket and I didn't return it. So to fit graph, that silence is golden. It looks up the specs of that jacket, let's say for example 44 centimeters shoulders, and saves as the baseline in my profile. Okay, user fits 44 centimeter shoulders. And the second one is explicit learning. I can refine that data with a natural language. If I leave a review saying the jacket fits, so and that stores in my system, or I can say the jacket fits but the arms feel tight. Okay, our system doesn't just see that. It doesn't just see that or leave it as it is. It doesn't just see the text. It actually uses MemVerge vector memory to translate that feeling into physics. It updates my profiles to say user requires wider armholes than the Zara standard, or any review that I give, it does that. So how did I build this? To build this, I needed more than just a chatbot, because LLMs, hallucinate numbers. I needed a hybrid intelligence, and I use the MemVerge MemMachine for the memory layer, and this captures the fuzzy human data like my review about tight arms and store it as long-term semantic knowledge. And I also use the Neo4j for the reasoning layer. Okay, this enforces strict rules. Once the MemVerge learns I have broader shoulders, or I have maybe smaller arms, the Neo4j creates a hard constraint node. It physically blocks any future transaction that conflicts with that rule. I'm going to give you a quick demo on just how this works. Okay, let's quickly go here. So let's go. All right, so let me quickly give a quick demo here. Okay, let me just quickly go here because I don't have time to be typing. I don't really have time for that, so let me just do this. All right, so okay, all right, so first the agent scans my history. All right, let me just enter this. The agent scans my history. And you see the mem machine recalling my profile with 98% confidence. Okay, so and then it sees that there's a broader shoulders. Okay, this is a broader shoulder constraint we learned from that Zara purchase. Now watch the magic. The system detects a conflict with the H&M shirt's dimensions, and it triggers a stop. And what does this mean? It prevents the purchase before I even waste my money or before I buy to return again. So what are we talking about here, or what do we really mean, and what did we solve? Um, FitGraph isn't just about clothes. It's about translating human intent reviews into hard constraints, which is like data rules. And by doing this, we reduce the returns, save retailers billions in logistics, and cut down the carbon emissions from, shipping boxes and everything else. So yeah, thank you very much.